Advantage of more than one hidden layers for business data. In machine learning models for business data, using more than one hidden layer in a neural network can offer several advantages over a single hidden layer, depending on the specific problem you're trying to solve. Here are some key benefits. Book for your library. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Increased expressive power. With additional layers, the network gains the ability to learn and represent more complex relationships within the data. This is because each layer acts as a feature extractor, transforming the input data into increasingly abstract and relevant representations. Imagine it like building blocks. Stacking more layers allows you to build and combine features in more intricate ways. This additional complexity allows the model to handle nonlinear relationships between variables, which are common in real-world data. Single-layer networks are limited to linear relationships, which can miss important insights. Improved accuracy and performance. By capturing more complex patterns, models with multiple hidden layers can often achieve higher accuracy on tasks like classification, prediction, and forecasting. This is particularly true for larger and more intricate datasets where simple relationships aren't sufficient. This improved accuracy can translate to tangible benefits for businesses, such as better customer churn prediction, more accurate fraud detection, or optimized marketing campaigns. Feature extraction and learning. Each hidden layer acts as a feature extractor, learning important representations of the data. This can be useful for tasks like dimensionality reduction, where you need to represent complex data in a lower dimensional space for analysis or visualization. Additionally, these intermediate representations can provide insights into the underlying structure of the data and the relationships between variables, which can be valuable for understanding business processes and identifying potential opportunities. However, it's important to remember that using more hidden layers also comes with some drawbacks. Increased complexity. More layers mean more parameters to train, which can lead to longer training times and higher computational costs. There's a higher risk of overfitting, where the model memorizes the training data instead of learning generalizable patterns. This can lead to poor performance on unseen data. Tuning and interpretability. With more layers, it becomes more challenging to interpret how the model arrives at its predictions. This can be a disadvantage for tasks where understanding the reasoning behind a decision is crucial. Tuning such models to achieve optimal performance often requires more expertise and computational resources. Overall, the decision of whether to use a single or multiple hidden layers depends on the specific problem you're trying to solve, the size and complexity of your data, and your available resources. If you're working with business data and considering using neural networks, it's recommended to start with a simpler architecture and gradually increase the complexity as needed. Experimenting with different configurations and evaluating their performance on your specific data will help you determine the optimal approach. Thank you.